Okay, so I'm going to show you how to switch your YouTube back to the classic menu. So if you're going through the training and your menu is not looking like the training, then you have been put into the beta version of YouTube. So I want to show you how to push that back so that you are able to follow the training appropriately. So what you need to do is you need to go to www.studio YouTube right here. There we go, studio.youtube.com. So this puts you into the YouTube studio. Okay, and over here on the left side, you want to go to Settings. And you want to click on Default Creator Experience to be Creator Studio Classic. So you want to make sure that you do this before you switch back, because if you don't, it's going to keep going to that YouTube Studio Beta. Okay, then you just need to save that. Okay, and then you can click Creator Studio Classic. Just click whatever you feel like and click Submit. And it will bring you back to the Classic Creator Studio. So this is then where you will see that the majority of the training is going to look like this. So one thing that I want you to be aware of is don't click on this top little button right here, because what that's going to do is that's going to take you right back to that beta. Now, since I have my default as this, when I come in the next time, it will look like this again. Okay, so make sure that you go in and you make that your default, because if you don't, it's going to keep going back to that studio. Okay.